A perfect day doesn't happen by accident. It begins with a simple decision to grow not for others but for yourself. Wake up with the sunrise, before the noise, before the world pulls you in. Own that silence. It belongs to you. Drink water. Feel your body come alive. Step into the light. Breathe deeply. You don't need motivation. You need clarity. Read one page. Write one thought. Set one intention. That's all it takes to begin. Then move. Not to chase perfection, but to honor your strength. Stretch, walk, or train. Let your body remember what it's capable of. Focus on one thing, not 10. Just one thing that matters and give it your full attention. Eat clean. Breathe fresh air. Take breaks. Let your mind rest even as your goals stay clear. In the evening, slow down. No screens, no noise. Just you and your thoughts. Reflect, what did I show up for today? How can I grow tomorrow? Take a deep breath. Be proud. Not of perfection, but of consistency. Go to sleep with peace and wake up ready to do it again. Because this is how you build the life you want. One intentional day at a time.